Viewers, we're gonna show you now how to make pineapple salads. It's very easy, simple. We take off the skin, we take the middle stem of the pineapple. Now we're gonna cut them in a very small pieces. We're gonna cut them in very small pieces. Viewers, we chopped our pineapple. Now we're gonna add some lime juice to it. Few drops of lime juice. We add a little bit of red pepper, some green chilies, some mint, and some fresh coriander. Salt to season, pepper, and we're gonna add half a teaspoon of sugar. Now we're gonna mix them very well. Now viewers, the exciting bit is chili flakes. We're gonna put some chili flake in them and we're gonna mix them very well. Oh, they looks lovely and they're gonna be spicy, a little bit hot. Oh, beautiful. You can serve this salad with tuna or any kind of starters, or you can put it as it on its own. It's beautiful, lovely, delicious, and very healthy as well in the same time. Viewers, that's my beautiful pineapple salad. Enjoy and bon appetit.